Welcome to the assembly video for your Broil King pellet smoker. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Now let's get started. You will need the following tools to assemble your Broil King smoker. Before starting, unpack all of the components for your smoker and lay them out in your workspace. Use a pan or bowl to hold the contents of the hardware bag. Step 1. Install the legs, labeled A, B, C, and D, on the cookbox portion of your smoker. Note that legs A and B get installed on the side opposite the pellet box assembly. Secure in place using the hardware provided. Step 2. With the legs securely attached, install the lower shelf. Attach using the 4 screws provided. Tighten with your screwdriver. Step 3. Screw in the tool hooks on the side of the pellet box assembly. Then, install the Wi-Fi receiver on the bottom of the pellet box assembly. Step 4. Attach the wheels to your smoker and secure using your 1/2-inch socket wrench with the 2 lock nuts provided. Clip on the wheel covers. Stand your smoker on its wheels. Step 5. Attach the lid handle to your smoker by setting the handle seats on the lid. The large side of the wedge is always on the top of the handle. Tighten each screw with your screwdriver. Step 6. Install the side handle assembly. Secure in place with 4 screws. Tighten with your screwdriver. Install the rotisserie cap chain on the side shelf assembly. Tighten. Install the metal bracket on the back of the pellet box assembly that will later be used to coil your electrical cord. Step 7. Place the side shelf on the side handle assembly, clasping the ends in. Step 8. Using the 4 screws shown here, install the chimney assembly. Install the rotisserie support with 2 screws. This will allow you to store your rotisserie when you are not using it. Step 9. Insert the heat deflector assembly. Insert the radiant panel Step 10. Insert the grease tray assembly. Step 11. Insert the grease tray. Step 12. Insert both of the grease tray guide plates, one at the back and one at the front. Step 13. Insert the cooking grids. Cut off the plastic zip ties holding the warming rack in place. Step 14. Insert the ash pan assembly at the front of the smoker. Insert the grease tray cover on the grease tray base. Slide it into the opening at the side of the smoker. Step 15. Install the rotisserie support on the inside of the cookbox using 2 wing bolts. Step 16. Screw in the rotisserie bracket on the side of the smoker above the side shelf using 2 screws and 2 butterfly nuts. You are now done assembling your pellet smoker. Before storing your grill, return the grid and warming rack to the smoker. Make sure to put the rotisserie away on the rotisserie support bracket at the back of the pellet. Screw the rotisserie cap onto the rotisserie opening. Use the metal bracket to safely store the cord on the pellet box assembly. Now is a good time to look over your pellet to ensure all the components are secure. Now is also a good time to register your smoker. Please visit BroilKingBBQ.com today and click on the link. It's quick and easy. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more. Broil King. Great barbecues every time.